Hey there, are you tired of carrying extra weight around your waistline? Well, worry not, because in this video we're going to share some tips that will help you lose that stubborn belly fat. Don't be a junk food junkie. The first step in losing belly fat is to clean up your diet. This means cutting back on processed foods, sugary drinks, and foods high in saturated and trans fats. Opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Remember, abs are made in the kitchen, not in the drive-thru. Beef up your protein intake. Eating more protein can help you feel fuller and reduce your overall calorie intake. So, stock up on lean sources of protein like chicken, fish, and tofu. But don't worry, vegetarians and vegans, you can still get your protein fix from sources like beans, lentils, and quinoa. Give your liver a break. Your liver is responsible for breaking down alcohol, which can contribute to belly fat. So, try to limit your alcohol consumption or cut it out altogether if possible. Your liver will thank you, and so will your waistline. Drink up. Drinking plenty of water can help reduce bloating and flush out toxins from your body. So, aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day. And if you get bored of plain old water, try infusing it with fruit or herbs for some extra flavor. Get your cardio on. Doing aerobic exercise is a great way to burn calories and reduce belly fat. So, try activities like running, cycling, or swimming for at least 30 minutes a day. You can even make it fun by turning up the tunes and dancing around like nobody's watching. Pump some iron. Strength training can help build muscle mass, which can boost your metabolism and burn more calories. So, try exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups. And if you need a little extra motivation, put on some 80s workout music and pretend you're in a Jane Fonda video. Get your beauty rest. Not getting enough sleep can contribute to weight gain and belly fat. So, aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. And if you have trouble falling asleep, try some bedtime yoga or a warm cup of chamomile tea. Chill out. Stress can lead to overeating and weight gain. So, try stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. And if all else fails, binge watch some Netflix and let your worries melt away. Consistency is key. Losing belly fat takes time and consistency. So, make small changes to your diet and exercise routine that you can stick with long term. And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. So don't expect your six-pack to magically appear overnight. Don't give up. Losing belly fat can be challenging, but don't give up. Stay motivated and keep working towards your goals. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one giving out belly-busting tips to your friends. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips have helped you on your journey to a flatter tummy. Now go forth and conquer that belly fat. One step and one crunch at a time.